Okay, I have this very delicate question, and the person is saying that I have a friend who is greater than me in all areas of life. He loves me, I know, but he doesn't have my time as expected. How can I get his time? And if possible, a way he can help me out. God, how do I say this to you? First and foremost, anybody that is ahead of you in all areas of life is not your friend. I'll say it again. Anybody that is ahead of you in all areas of life, according to what you have just said. In fact, even if it's not in all areas of life, in some areas of life, in some areas that matters in life, let's assume he's ahead of you in money. When we say ahead, it's not like he's making or earning 300,000 naira a month. You are earning 250. That's not what I'm saying. I am saying, for example, he's earning 300,000 naira a month or making 300,000 naira a month, and you cannot say you are making 10,000 naira a month. You are not mates. You are not friends. Did you hear me? You are not friends. I will explain it to you clearly. Chill. He has an apartment where he's staying. Like he has a house, and you are still squatting with your parents. I don't care whether you attended the same primary school, the same secondary school, the same university. You people are 27 years old or 37. You are not mates. It's not your friend. It is the number one reason he doesn't have your time. It is the number two reason he cannot help you, because I will say it the nicest way I want to say it. You are still thinking in your mind that he's your friend. He's not your friend. You are still belittling him. You are still thinking, guy, have fun. You are still talking to him as guy. You are still talking to him as my nigga. He's not your nigga. You guys are nothing. You are not giving him his due respect. Give honor to who honor is due. Even if you guys started together, even if you were more serious than him, even if his own, you call it luck or one thing happened. My brother, from what you just wrote now, I have a friend who is greater than me in all areas of life. He loves me, I know. I'm showing you what you are not seeing. That's what I'm showing you first. In today's teaching, I'll say some things earlier, and I talked about how that most of us were with successful people and we are failing. This is exactly what I'm saying. Maybe because you are staying in the same house with him. Maybe because you are seeing him every day. Maybe because you attend the same church. So you now think you are made. Now you are downgrading him. You don't have respect. No boundaries. You don't have honor for him. You don't give him his honor that he has earned. You still argue with him, little things. You still disrespect him in the way you handle things with him. You ask him things with pride. You will remain in that position. You know that this guy is a big guy. He's respected everywhere he goes to. He's respected online. He's respected maybe anywhere. You know, you are aware. But you still think you are mates because you see him every day, because you talk with him every day, because you grew up together, because you have his phone number, because he chats with you. It's not your fault now. That's why you are where you are. That's number one. Number two, successful people are busy people. They are busy. They have things that they are doing. Now let me define busy for you. Busy is not activity. Busy is not running around. Busy is not having plenty of things that you are doing. That you are doing many activity does not mean that you are busy. It does not mean that you are progressing. Busy is giving your time to the things that are important to you. Let me say it again. To be busy is to carry your time, your energy, your resources, and you give it to what is important to you. Right now, I'm busy. There are many other things I should be doing now, but this is the one that is most important to me. So assuming I have a wife now or a girlfriend now, and she's calling me now, once I pick the call, if whatever she's saying is not as important as what I'm doing now, I will not tell her, hey babe, I am busy and this is what I'm busy doing. Successful people are busy. Listen, everybody is busy.